Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Honda HR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, automatic air conditioning, cloth seat trim, tinted glass, compass, low tire pressure warning. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.